Hello, I am Dr. Jacob Barber, a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon at Greater Modesto Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Center. I joined Greater Modesto, or as the locals say, GMOS team in 2014. I originally joined Dr. Baker and Dr. Cadra, who have since retired. I am joined in practice today with my incredible partner, Dr. Brett Springer. I grew up in Oakdale and attended University of the Pacific in Stockton for my undergraduate studies, followed by dental school at the Arthur A. Dugoni School of Dentistry in San Francisco, and then completed a 4-year oral surgery residency at the Alameda County Medical Center in Oakland. It was during those years away that I met the love of my life, Katie, and together we call Modesto home with our 3 wonderful children, Brooke, Matthew, and Lily. When I joined this office, I was excited to work with a team of outstanding individuals who provide the highest level of patient care while utilizing the latest technologies to enhance the patient experience and surgical outcomes. You having the best possible surgical outcome is our top priority, but our passion is to ensure the very best patient experience. I can say without a doubt that the staff and doctors at GMOS are committed to delivering the absolute best experience to each of our patients as they come in for treatment. My goal every day is to create a friendly and comfortable environment for my patients and keep them highly involved during the treatment planning process. I want every patient to feel fully informed and educated on their oral surgery needs and treatment. You should feel confident in your treatment plans so that we achieve the results that you desire. Dr. Springer and I specialize in wisdom tooth removal, dental implants, bone grafting procedures, and teeth in a day or full arch dental implants. Through the use of local anesthesia, nitrous oxide, or IV sedation, we are able to provide these services comfortably and safely. We believe in going the extra mile for our patients. Every patient is a VIP, and when you visit us, you will see the GMOS difference. We welcome you to come to our office and experience the compassionate care we provide at Greater Modesto Dental Implant and Oral Surgery Center.